Hello, Hobby Life with Phelim. Yeah, well, I'm creating a new fence here because we have a new goat to the goat family. We just added one new one to the goat family. That's it over there. It's kind of what's this side? It's kind of still it's new, so it's very edgy. It jumps everywhere, flies fence. It has been jumping that fence into the garden. That garden over there, trying to destroy the crops and going to some other places. So that we need to make like some iron fence on top of the concrete, the block fence to restrict it from going that direction. As you see, the other ones are still very okay with their environment. They are relaxed. But she, being the newcomer, she's still very on the edge, jumping and flying and climbing. Right there now, she's on the pond, on the fish pond. So, so right now, I'm creating, I'm gonna make a fence here. I'm gonna add this iron structure to this fence to restrict it from going over. So it doesn't have anywhere to no way it's going to be able to jump over. This is strong. I'm gonna use this to create something like this. This is actually longer. Let me use this one for instance. I use this one for instance. Now we have to put something here to destroy or else to jump on top of this place and still go over. Okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. Creating a fence to stop the new growth from. Okay. So this is going to be the first mark. I need to get this clipped here. I'll use some binding wires, put a hole, and get it to stay here through this one so it doesn't go down. That's what I will do. Okay, so let's check. So I'm just gonna use binding wire. Leave me alone. Go away. Oh, Tracy. Let's go and disturb my wife. She's a camera woman.
Perfect.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do the second one with this. First, second one here. So I still need to put something here to discourage it from coming here. Need to put something. I'll be back. So we're gonna use binding wire to make it stronger. We're gonna use this now to tie it, so it's gonna be very strong. It's gonna be very rigid. That's the first one. We'll do another one to cross it this other way, so it's very strong. Go this other way. Wow. I have to use another one. Gotta use another one. I guess the tension, the pressure, tension was too high. Now we're just going to take it easy with the tension.
Guys, do you notice what my husband did there? He didn't tight it in the same place anymore. He went to another place to tight it.
Yeah, to give me some allowance so I can control the tension. Then we need to hide this because it's sharp.
Wow.
Then this, I need to cut off those tips because they are sharp. Need to cut off the sharp.
So neat.
Neat and strong. Okay. So one more point to tie, and that will be that other end. So coming with our bandy wire, our pincers, and our plier. This is just the right size. Okay. Okay. One more to go this other direction. Okay. So okay, now we have that. This is in place. This is also in place. This is very, very, very in place. So now we need something to guide here. Because if she can jump on this place, she will leap over. So I'm just gonna think. I think I have two PVC pipes. Let me see if they can lumber. Just put it at the center. Tight. Let's see if I can do anything, if I can achieve anything with this. All because of it. Anything that would discourage it from coming up. Just that I don't know how strong, how if they come, if they will not push it off. Whatever is going to discourage them from coming here. This is what we have for now. We're going to check if she is going to be able to jump over into this garden. So we're going to check if she's able to jump. Then we need to create another layer and put another beam until she's not able to get into the garden. But she's really good at jumping. That good. She's very good at jumping. Let's see how this works. This should be able to keep her out of this garden. This should be able to keep her out of this garden. So, Puppy Life with Phelim, we just created this fence. It's a temporary measure until we do something that is more permanent to stop them from flying in, especially that newcomer. Do you have a name for her now?
No, no, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
So when we give her a name, you guys are gonna know. For now, this is Tracy. This is Tracy. That's Larry. And right there, that's Lindsay. You can like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and have a nice day.
Peace out.
Peace out.